this your company or?
Yeah, it's my business.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, welcome to Brazilian Tapioca. We are here with the lovely, what was your name again?
Daniela.
Daniela.
Yeah.
Daniela. Amazing. Oh, I'm just so excited. I just got so distracted by Daniela offering to cook us these
It's
flatbread.
like a tapioca flatbread. So in the inside the package, it's hydrate tapioca flour. So it's just tapioca and water, and with the heat of the pan, the flour melts and stick together because it has water in the flour.
Okay.
So I'm gonna show you. So you need to make sure the pan is hot enough for the flour to melt. So it's just the flour straight from the package. You sift around until you cover the bottom of the pan so you cannot see through. And then you can add your choice of fillings, savory or sweet. It goes well with anything, really. It's very plain in taste, the flatbread. So I'm gonna put some cheese today. So you probably leave it cooking for a minute, and then the flour will melt and stick together. You can see it's already. Yeah, it's like magic.
Why is it melting without any butter or oil?
No oil, butter, anything. Just a no-stick fry pan, and that's it. So I'll cut some for you to taste.
And it is the new one. It is the Diet, and it's gluten free. And I used to do it with self-raising plain.
It's a bit crunchy outside and soft on the
Thank
inside.
you. Oh, wow. Oh, it smells so cheesy. Mmm, so crunchy. Oh, yum. This is exactly like a toasty I would have. This is just yum. I love my toasties. Oh my gosh. And it's nice and warm. That's so easy to make.
Yeah, you can put anything. Your leftover dinner, just like a roast chicken and veggies, or just smashed avocado, strawberry and Nutella, peanut butter and banana. It's very versatile.
Wonderful. Where can we find your product? Where can we find these?
You can find mostly on our website, online, and we do free shipping if you buy 3 bags. But in Queensland, in few health stores, IGA, because we're from Noosa, Queensland. Yes, so we all the way here today.
Yeah. Cool. So we could find it online. Or obviously, if they came to the expo, haha, too bad, I'm getting some. But yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you.